This model kit review is of the F-94B, and this is a 1/48 scale model by HobbyCraft. It's the Starfire. I don't see any pictures of the finished model. Let's have a look inside. First of all, we see the fuselage taking a bit of a beating. We do have some recessed panel and rivet lines, which is interesting. Inside the cockpit, we don't see any details there. Let's have a look here. Same thing on the other side. All this stuff will need to get sanded. Here we have our lower wing. All recessed lines. And looking at the other side of the wing here. Interesting, we have an extra wing. Someone's missing a wing. Looking here at this, it doesn't look like we see much here for our wheel well. So we'll have to look to see if there are additional details there. And here are our fuel tanks for the side. Our canopy needs a bit of polishing. It's got some scratches on there. Here is our cockpit, which has got some surface detail, not a huge amount. This looks like our nose wheel well. Our exhausts. Probably part of the air intakes. That's empty. Here we have wheels. And these are our flaps, which can be up or down. Parts for the cockpit. Here's our instrument panel. Landing gear, wheel well covers. Here's the seat. Looks like there's another seat here for our two pilots. And the other additional detail on the wheels. Let's have a look at a few pieces here. There's the second instrument panel. And the other air intake. Here are our decals. And it looks like we are missing the instructions. So those, we'll see if we can track down some online.